Hi, Lou Manfredini, Ace's Home Expert, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to replace a bulb in your Christmas lights. Okay, so if you notice that you have a miniature light like this, these are incandescent Christmas lights, and one of these bulbs is burned out. Many times, the light sets come with spare bulbs. Now, this is a Lightkeeper Pro tool, and there's a little edge here that helps you get underneath the bulb, and you can kind of twist it back and forth, and you see then it pulls out. Now, many times the replacement bulbs will come with this little fitting on there as well, and you can see that there's two little wires that are bent across there. They have to line up and go inside those contacts as well. So you take the new bulb and then you would just press it into place and by hand push it all the way in. And that's how you replace the bulb. If your Christmas lights are half out, my video on how to fix that is coming up next.